So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to set another country's time on your device clock. So let's get started. At first, make sure you have the clock app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and also make sure that you have logged into your account. So let's open it. And this is the home page of your clock. Now you should have to tap on second option, which is available on the top corner of your screen. So tap on it. Then here you will see the option of plus icon. So again tap on it. Then here you will see many countries available here like this. Scroll down until you find your country name, or even you can search it here. So I'm tapping on this and see. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.